Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check the reviews of a particular product on the SHEIN application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the first or the second icon down below in order to select a particular piece of clothing that you are interested in and would like to see the feedbacks of. So here at the top you can see a bunch of categories that you can choose from. Then there are subcategories as well. So click on the relevant one that interests you. You can use your filter to narrow down your search, and if you have found a product that you are interested in, click on it, scroll down till you find the reviews section. Now there are only 2 reviews given to this or on this particular product. As you can see, there is a general chart here in the middle of the screen, indicating whether the item fits well or not. You can see the helpfulness of a particular review. If you click on this thumbs up icon, you can indicate that the review was helpful for you. You can see how many stars that particular user gave to this product. And basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.